I'm a duck. I can't stop laughing. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh, I love that woman.
Let me get it while I'm.
What?
Let me get it while I'm here.
My phone's sitting right there.
Oh,
It's
I'm looking all over for
it's
it.
mad skillage to get standing on my purse. On the pocket.
Is it the right height?
I hope so. You can go look through this way.
It is kind of.
See? Who's the boss now?
Me.
Woman, please.
Was there any doubt in your mind?
I think I'm more of a boss.
Excuse me?
You heard me?
Yeah, you kind of boss me around sometimes.
Oh, bullshit. Don't even go there.
I just did.
You want to go?
Go. Where are you going?
You're such a smartass.
I know. But you love it. You go, ooh, do that when you do it. Like, do it like that. Do that. See what happens. No, you gotta come forward.
Whatever. You're supposed to do this. You should make the noise with me.
Oh, my tummy. How about if I fart on top of it? I just scared it.
You did. You definitely scared the shit right out of you. Oh my gosh.
You pissed my pants on top of it.
It's because I'm so funny.
Oh, God.
Oh my god. That's good shit.